Hello once again everyone, good morning, and in this video I'm going to share with you my total body workout, and let's begin. Let's do this. You can count on this like 100, but me, I just wanna estimate it dahil oras na naman ng ating trabaho. Nag-iipon ako guys ng video kasi malilipat ako guys at hindi ko alam yung malilipatan ko kung maka-exercise pa ba ako. Siyempre, nasa period of adjustment na naman ako niyan. Kaya yun ang pinakaayaw ko guys, maglipat-lipat. Ang problem kasi dito guys, ay hindi ako. Hindi yung amo ko. Sila ang may problem. Dahil ayaw, nagagalit sila guys na nag-day off ako. Once a month na alam yun. Once a month lang. Tapos, masama pa ang loob. Ayaw nilang makarelax ako. Kaya ang hinahanap nila yung walang day off. No order. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and please follow me.